You want to go for a ride today? Precious is ready. Are you ready, buddy? Come on. Buddy. Buddy. Oh my gosh, he jumped right up. Oh, good dogs. We're ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's get ready. Okay, so I had the Kodiak Energy Generator hooked up to shore power all night, and now I have, you can see, 4 green dots and 1 blue dot, in addition to the yellow and red one. It was down to the yellow, so I'm fully powered, I think. And let's look at the amp hours. Okay, ready to go. Hi everybody, I'm out here in the beautiful Cleveland National Forest, and I want to show you what I've been up to. I've been making some Reflectix covers for the windows for this car. And I want to show you how I did it. I took a plastic trash bag and I put it up in here like this. If the wind is just right, it'll hold it there. And if not, I used a little bit of Scotch tape to hold it in there. And then I took the black marking pen, any kind of marking pen, and I drew around. I got it in here nice. Then I drew around it like this. Okay, you can see how I'm doing that. I drew around it, and they made the perfect shapes of each window. And then I cut it out with scissors, of course. And I came up with something like this. Okay, they perfectly fit in this window. And I made a little mark here where this thing is. Have to go around that. Then I took these things and I put them on this roll of Reflectix that I had bought, and I put that on there and I cut that out. But before I cut it out, I figured out something interesting. I figured out that if I left the corners square, they actually fit up in here really, really well. See that? And then everything else fits in perfectly. So I did that with all the windows in this vehicle. So I have coverings for every window. I made a little V, a little place here, a little cut, and then a little triangle right there. So that'll go around there. And that's how I made covers for all of the windows. I put an eye for on each one, so I know which one's the inside. I actually didn't have to make 2 of these. I just did one of them and then cut out another one the same shape and size for the other side. So I hope you find that interesting, and I will be right back. I'm out here in this gorgeous place, and I want to show you around a little bit. Okay, look around behind me here. Found a perfect place to hang out for the day. Just a minute, I'll turn it around. What's really neat going on here? I took the extra Reflectix and made a little covering for my refrigerator. And here's what I got in my refrigerator today. Not much, but I do want to put hamburgers in the microwave. White Castle Cheeseburgers. You don't really have to cook them, you just have to heat them up. So, okay, 330 calories. Must be the cheese, huh? This microwave, you just push 1 and it'll cook it for 1 minute. Let's see what this looks like over here. Okay, got my Inergy Kodiak generator here, and I've got, well, it's sucking energy right now, so I've got the refrigerator plugged in here, and I've got the microwave plugged in here, and we'll see how much that takes off. But the coolest thing I got today is, ta-da! The solar panel. Yay! And I got all the cables that go with it. So I am going to show you hooking up the solar panel. Now there's a plastic covering evidently on the front of these things, and you have to pull that off. So I'm in the process of doing that, and then I'll show you how we're going to hook it up. Oh, hamburgers are ready. Okay, so after the microwave went off, those 3 green dots came back. So it quit sucking all that energy. So it's still at 3 green dots. I'm just sitting here listening to the birds, finishing up my last bite of my White Castle hamburger. The dogs are all taking a snooze in the car. Boy, what a perfect day. Perfect weather. Perfect temperature. Perfect birds. What could be better? They don't have this White Castle burgers here in Southern California. You just have to buy them at the grocery store here. They sure are yummy. So you can see I've got this partly pulled off here, and I will keep working on it. Okay, so I unhooked the refrigerator, and I hooked up the solar panel, one of them, to this. Now I'm watching this number here, the bottom number here, and I'm waiting for it to say right there, amp hours, 20. It's at, well, it's not 20, but it's, let's see, it comes around again, coming now, after this one, 0.023 amp hours, and it's increasing. Yay! I think that's a good sign. Let's see it again. 0.027 amp hours. Yes. One more time, and 0.30 amp hours. One more time, just to make sure it's really going up. Here we go. 0.33 amp hours. I'm so excited I can hardly say it. Anyway, it looks like the solar panel is working well. Yay! I have plugged the refrigerator back in, and it looks to me like the solar panel is still charging the generator. Here we go. 0.089 amp hours. Coming around again. 0.103 amp hours. One more time. 0.106 amp hours. 107 amp hours. Yep, see, it's charging even though the refrigerator is running power off of it too. Oh, cool. Okay, very cool. Okay, so I set the solar panel up in the windshield, and I put the, you know how you put these visors down to hold it up, and looks like I'm getting even faster charging on this 1.160. 0.164. See, it's going even faster now. All right, yay for solar energy.